Hi everyone! In this video we will solve equations with fraction coefficients. Solve 2s plus 1 divided by 6 minus 1 equals 5s minus 7 all divided by 4. The first thing we need to do is look for the lowest common denominator. Our two denominators are 6 and 4, so the lowest common denominator for those is 12. And we take this lowest common denominator and make sure to multiply it to both sides of the equal sign. To do this, we'll get rid of the denominators, and multiplying it to both sides will keep the equal sign balanced. So on the left side, we're going to have to do the distributive property because there are two terms, this one and this one. The first one, I'm going to go ahead and just write it out. 12 times 2s plus 1 divided by 6. We have a subtraction sign, and we will be multiplying 12 times that negative 1. And then on the right hand side, we don't need to do the distributive, so let's just rewrite it out. 5s minus 7 over 4 multiplied to the 12. Now that we've multiplied each and every term by 12, we can go ahead and simplify. 12 divided by 6 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now that we've simplified, we need to go ahead and do the distributive property. So we'll multiply the 2 into both terms here. So we get 2 times 2s, which is 4s, and 2 times 1 is plus 2. Then we have a subtraction of 12 times 1, which is minus 12. And then on the right side, we are left with 3 times 5s and 3 times negative 7. So we have 15s minus 21. Now we need to continue by combining all of our like terms. So we have 2 minus 12, which is negative 10. So we have 4s minus 10 equals 15s minus 21. Now we need to combine all of our terms with the variable on one side of the equation and all of our terms without a variable on the other side, all the constants. So, and it doesn't matter, we can pick either side. I'm going to go ahead and subtract 15s from both sides, moving all of the variables to the left side. So I have 14 minus 15, and I just ran out of room, so I'm going to come up here. 14 minus 15 gives us negative 11s. So we have negative 11s minus 10 equals, and we're only left with negative 21 on the right. Now we can go ahead and combine all of the constants, or the terms without a variable, on the right side. So I'm going to add 10 to both sides. On the left, we're left with negative 11s, and on the right-hand side, negative 21 plus 10 is negative 11. So now we just need to divide both sides by negative 11. Negative 11 divided by negative 11 is 1, which leaves us with s. And on the right side, we get a positive 1. So our answer is s equals 1. We can go ahead and substitute that back into the original problem to verify that our answer is correct. For those who want to stick around and see the checking portion, you can go ahead and stay. If not, feel free to be done with the video. But we're just going to do a really quick run through to check our answer. And so we have 2 times 1 plus 1 over 6 minus 1 equals 5 times 1 minus 7 over 4. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have 3 over 6 minus 1 equals 5 times 1 is 5, and 5 minus 7 is negative 2 over 4. Let's go ahead and simplify. 3/6 is 1/2, and 1 can be put over a 1 and multiply top and bottom by 2, so minus 2 halves. And negative 2/4 simplifies by dividing both by 2, which gives us negative 1/2. And then we have 1/2 minus 2 halves, or 1 minus 2, which is negative, I'm going to have to write it over here, negative 1/2, which equals negative 1/2. So our answer of s equals 1 is correct, and we're all done.